Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up easy events. From the diary screen, click on the settings button. The settings screen will open. Navigate to the user entity settings tab. Click on the easy events panel to expand. A list of all the clinical forms available to your practice will be listed under the clinical workflow events. Take the desired forms you wish to add to your easy events. Once the necessary changes have been made, click on the Save button. The newly selected clinical forms will now be displayed under the Easy Events section, which can be found on the clinical case screen, as well as the invoice screen.